everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know what can you do if your Cash App card expiring. So when your Cash App or if your Cash App card is expiring, you should check your Cash App for the replacement card delivery status as well. So Cash App automatically reissues a new card when the old one is close to expire and mails it to your address on a file with them. Now you could also find your Cash App card expiry date within the app accessed through the credit card icon on the home screen as well. If you are unable to get the card after expiry, what you could do is you could simply open up or launch open Cash App, then click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner. On the next field, you simply want to go ahead and scroll down to the profile section. There you want to click on support. As you click on support, you want to select card details, or you just want to select card options, and then you can go ahead and list out the information such as your card is expiring and you're unable to receive it, and they will be able to help you out. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.